Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Hourglass not on TikTok. Time is running out for the Bums Airdrop farming event. Hourglass not done. The countdown is on. April 26th marks the final day of the Bums Airdrop farming event. After this date, the door will close, and no new rewards will be earned. If you've been collecting your tokens, now's the time to claim them. Connect your wallet before it's too late, or risk missing out. The Bums team has been giving plenty of reminders, and we're here to make sure you don't miss the last opportunity to cash in on these rewards. The excitement is building up, especially with the upcoming token listing date, and the rewards you claim now could pay off big time once Bums hits major exchanges. The team's also launching a handy Bums Airdrop calculator, so you can track your final balance before your rewards get locked in. But hurry, the deadline's fast approaching. How to qualify for the Bums Airdrop? It's simple, but you've got to act fast. Here's what you need to do. Log in and complete 3 tasks. These were shared at the start of the month, so if you haven't already, jump in now. Check the metal calculator to see how to maximize your earnings. Metals convert into tokens, and a few key factors determine how many you'll earn. Boost your avatar collection. The new mystery boxes are a perfect way to expand your collection and increase your chances of scoring big. The Bums Airdrop could easily become one of the top crypto airdrops of 2025, so don't miss your chance to be a part of it. April 26th deadline equals big launch incoming. With millions of active users, the April 26th deadline is just the beginning. Many are eagerly awaiting the token listing date on major exchanges, which is expected to follow closely after the deadline. The in-game events and teaser content have kept the energy high, and the rewards are set to be huge for those who stay active and engaged. This could be the play-to-earn moment everyone's been waiting for. How to maximize your rewards before April 26th. As the deadline draws nearer, here's your checklist to make sure you're ready. Link a TON-compatible wallet. Tokens will be sent directly to your connected wallet. Stay active in the game. The more in-game currency you have, the bigger your final reward. Upgrade your characters. Higher level characters mean higher payouts when the time comes. Invite friends. Referrals can boost your total rewards. More players, more tokens. Complete bonus quests. These special tasks unlock extra rewards like exclusive in-game items. The more you've been farming and upgrading, the bigger the payout will be. So if you've been grinding hard in the game, your efforts are about to pay off. Cryptic clues and teasers. What's coming next? The Bums team loves keeping things mysterious, and they've been dropping cryptic riddles to keep us on our toes. One of the most talked about teasers is 1, 2, crypto's coming for you. 3, 4, open your wallet more. What does it mean? Speculation is running wild. Could there be hidden surprises or extra rewards waiting for those who've been paying attention? Players who've been collecting unique in-game items like HOD Libel Lecter and Penny FOMO may just have the inside track to even bigger rewards. The team teased. Collect them all, HOD Libel Lecter, Samara, Penny FOMO, and get the terrifying Gold Freddy and 200 medals. The real currency for Bums Airdrop. This could be your chance to unlock extra bonuses when the token goes live. Time to grab those collectibles and get ready for the final push. Final reminder, don't miss out. With the TG and exchange listings on the horizon, this is the final phase for those who've been a part of the Bums ecosystem. Make sure your wallet is linked, your in-game progress is at its best, and that you're ready to cash in on the rewards you've worked so hard for.